but the gain is all the way down. You're probably hearing the fan excessively. My understanding is you talk to the side. I've seen people where this. Oh wait, I'm talking to the back. See, I was already making a mistake. But I've seen people do that. I've seen people talk to the back of the microphone. So this just goes to show you, you have to make sure you turn the microphone the right way. I can't believe I was talking to the back of the microphone the entire time. But it still picks up too much noise. So it might sound better now. And I've seen people do this. They're talking to the back of the microphone. Talk to the front of the microphone. Was that a fail? Was it on purpose? I'm not gonna tell ya. That's it for this video. Have yourself a good one.